Artificial intelligence. This is the most discussed subject among the not only the information technology sector but also the entire country, entire the globe. With the introduction, with the implementation of artificial intelligence, there is a possibility of employment structure may change, usage of fastness of transactions may change, and perfection also will improve. As well as there is a possibility that the misuse also may increase, like misinformation, fake information, false information, misguiding information. All this may lead to some confusion to the users. How to protect the users from misuse or fake information? It is the present challenge. It is a challenge for the entire information technology sector of all governments of the world. Now, because of introduction of artificial intelligence, governments are trying to prescribe new guidelines for usage of for the purpose of artificial intelligence, which is more useful. Artificial intelligence is more useful in many sectors like healthcare, education, financial services, public safety, etc. So all these now what are the services provided now may be improved with perfection and fast services with the usage of artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence also can assure safety and safety and perfection. But what is required is the data safety and ethical usage of these artificial intelligence technologies. That is the most important. How to harness the ethical usage, how to harness the artificial intelligence for the safety and ethical usage of advanced technologies of artificial intelligence. That is a great challenge. This is a great challenge for entire world. For this purpose, Global Partnership for Artificial Intelligence Summit was organized in 2023, and in which the importance of global framework for ethical use of artificial intelligence and protocol for testing and deploying high-risk and frontier of artificial intelligence tools. The first global summit was organized in 2023, which requested for internal cooperation to manage the challenges and risks due to artificial intelligence. How to prescribe a global framework for safe and ethical usage of artificial intelligence is one of the major question raised at the summit organized in 2023, which the artificial intelligence should assure the safety, security, and trustworthy in implementation of artificial intelligence. What are the issues which requires to be addressed? That is national security, consumer protection, privacy, and all this requires assurance from the artificial intelligence developers to share safety results with the governments. The US government has prescribed some standards to be followed by the artificial intelligence developers, as well as the European Union also prescribed standard and basing on the risk factors to be followed by the artificial intelligence developers. At the fundamental level, global framework for governance must address the key concerns like development, deployment, and use of artificial intelligence. It means where the artificial intelligence can be used and developed also. That areas to be prescribed. That is a great challenge for many nations. This includes dealing with machine learning biases, potential discrimination. The major challenges are machine learning biases, potential discrimination, misinformation, deep fakes, privacy and access to personal data, copyright protection, potential job loss, and safety and transparency and explainability of artificial intelligence algorithms. Important goal of artificial intelligence governance should be safe, fair, and ethical application of the artificial intelligence for the betterment of economy and the welfare of the society. For this purpose, of framework to be followed by the artificial intelligence developers to be prescribed by the countries. For this purpose, the major requirement is innovation. The governance framework must promote innovation, competition, and artificial intelligence technologies to continuously improve them. This would require facilitating access to large amounts of anonymous data, startups for developing training AI applications, artificial intelligence applications, and various domains, and maintenance of national data, government policy, and that is initiated by the government of India, which is showing better results. Infrastructure development is also required. Better infrastructure required for implementation of artificial intelligence models, upgrading the existing digital systems. Capacity building and engagement is also required to maintain the better use of artificial intelligence tools. And one more thing important is engaging with the stakeholders. Every usage of artificial intelligence, the tools has to be well acquainted with the usage, purpose, and safety, importance, usage, where to be used, how to be used, when to be used, and what is the purpose of usage. All this should be known to the stakeholders of using. And another important thing is with artificial intelligence is safety and risk involved in management. All these things, management is also important, and of course management needs information to take decisions, and that should be assured the correct information to be reached to the management to take timely decisions, correct decisions, and which requires transparency, fairness, and explainability of the data produced by using artificial intelligence tools. Another important requirement is privacy protection. Every data private party should be protected, and that the most important to protect the privacy of the data maintained through artificial intelligence tools. Another important requirement is international cooperation, because the data digitalization and all these artificial intelligence tools works around the globe, and the possibility of service provider may be in one country, service receiver may be in one country. That requires the internal cooperation from entire globe, and so that the artificial intelligence tools are used for the safety and better management for international cooperation. And one more important requirement is artificial intelligence should be the information developed through using artificial intelligence tools should be evidence based. This is the most important. Otherwise, whatever the data prepared with the help of artificial intelligence tools may be useless for the users. So every information came out based on the usage of artificial intelligence should be supported by the required evidence. For this purpose, being a great global leader in technology provider, India can play an important role for the global development of artificial intelligence tools, which can be used in agriculture, education, healthcare, transportation, public safety, and all these sectors can be more useful for the benefit of the strengthening economy and for the welfare of the society.